Welcome to APPExperts. In this video, we will explain how to install APPExperts plugin. First, head on to the WordPress sidebar and click Plugins. Select Add New. Navigate to the top right corner and select the search bar. Type APPExperts, WordPress to mobile app. The plugin can be found in the search results category. Now, select Install Now from the drop-down menu. Wait for the plugin to be installed. After activation, you will be taken to the Settings menu. Now, click the Save Changes button at the bottom left corner. As you can see in the top left corner of your screen, all settings have been saved. How to create an account on APPExperts.io to convert a WordPress website into an Android or iOS app. To begin, go to the top right corner and select Create New Account. Now you will see a sign-up form. Fill in all the fields with required data. And make sure the Yes, I agree checkbox is checked. Then, click the Submit button to finish. Congratulations! You have successfully completed your sign-up process. How to create a new mobile application. Fill in the app name and package name fields. In the description field, write what you want to say about the app and choose the app category. Now, paste your WordPress website URL, and click Connect your website. Check the status, and make sure all the configurations are done. Click the Save and Continue button. Now get the consumer key and consumer secret, by clicking on the respective fields and clicking the Build App button. Now, click the Build App button, choose the Build APK option, and click the Build button to start making an Android app. Tell us what you think about APPExpert and share your valuable feedback. We will learn how to manage WordPress mobile application access. First, enable all three options. To choose your default language, click on the language you want to use. Choose the app splash, app icon, and splash background based on the theme of your website. In the end, click the Save and Continue button to see the mobile preview. The preview section allows you to see how your WordPress website appears on a mobile device. You can look at the preview and enjoy the appearance and feel of your app as it progresses from sign up to login. We will learn how to configure application content. First, you can select the splash background of your app, as you can see here. Now, under the Content tab, choose Main Color, Secondary Color, and Text Color to give a look and feel of your choice. Further, in the Look and Feel section, enable Show Search, Show Logo, and Menu Direction. Under Manage Content, choose your language and font. Now, click Add Item to insert menu items. Select the name and the icon for the item. To save your changes, choose Page Type and, for example, Booking. Then click Save. Click the Preview button, and change the main, secondary, or text color. You can also turn off the option to show the logo, change the menu's direction, and see a preview. Now, click the Access tab and enable all three options similar to the Content tab. Click Save and Continue. To translate application text, add Now in front of Sign Up. Now, click Save and Continue down below. Now go back to the Content tab and click the Save Changes button down below. Now, under the Content tab, Navigate to the Translate Application text section, and ensure that Now is added in front of Sign Up. After you've confirmed, click Save Changes. You can see Sign Up Now is visible in the preview. Remove the word Now from the front of Sign Up, then click Save Changes and confirm that the word Now has been removed from the preview screen. Select Posts, then Posts from the drop-down menu, and then click the Save button. We will explain how to add components in the Content tab. To begin, now, on the main screen, choose the Add Item option and enter a name for the post/blog page in the name field. Now, as seen in the video, change the item icon. Similarly, using the drop-down menus, select a blog/post type and a blog/post layout. The changes are shown in the preview screen. To view the preview, click the Save button. Now, in the section Add Menu Items, click the Add Item button. After updating the post, you can change the search page, as seen in the video. Similarly, to blogs/posts, you may customize the icon for the search item. After updating the item icon, the preview page allows you to see how it appears on the website. Now, click the Add Item button once again to add the custom home page. Now, scroll down to the Custom Home Page menu. Now, under the Slider section, rename the picture contact page and select the slider image that is currently on your computer. Then, from the drop-down menus, select the link type and page from WordPress options, respectively. At this point, click the Save button. Following that, under Post section title, select a category for the Post section and click the Save button. The preview screen allows you to see how the custom home page will appear. Now, on the main screen, click the Add Item option and name the menu item Static Page/Text Page. As in the previous pages, click on the item icon on your computer. Now, click the option for the Static Page menu and scroll down. Now, as indicated here, select the title icon from your computer. Rename the content field and click the Save button under the Text Editor menu. Along with all, select the View Editor tab and verify that the content field's name is replicated here. Continue scrolling higher to see the changes you made using the preview screen. Proceed by clicking Add Item under the Manage Content section. Once more and adding the WordPress page as explained in the video. Now, from your computer, select the page icon. Now, in the drop-down option, change Blog to About Us and check the preview. Click Add Item once again to include External Page. Now, name the page External Page and choose the appropriate page icon from your computer. Now, click the External Page icon, change the URL, and verify the preview. Continue by clicking Add Item and naming the page Contact Us page. Now, click the Contact Us link and choose the icon image from your computer. Now, complete the fields shown here. Once all fields are completed, click the Save button and verify the preview. Now, under the Add Menu Items tab, select the Add Item option once more. Give the menu item a name. In this case, we've called it Single Post. Select the item icon from your PC and click the WP Post tab, following the menu name. Now, from the drop-down menus, select the post type and add the post ID, then click the Save button. Now navigate to the preview screen, and verify that everything is as you want. Moving further, change the menu item's name by clicking the Add Item button. Now, from your computer, select the item icon and click the WP Taxonomy tab, under the Type section. Following that, from the drop-down menus, select Taxonomy and add Category ID. Now, click the Save button and view the item's preview. After picking a layout, the WP Taxonomy page will display correctly. Click the Save and Continue option at this point. Now, click the Build App button under the Integration page. Select the Build Android option in this dialog box, followed by the Build Both option. Now choose Build Android and wait for your app build release file to be downloaded. How to view and interact with the WordPress application. To begin, click the three dots in the app's upper right corner. Select the Revision History option, to see the changes you've made thus far. To download the APK file, click the three dots again and select the Download Android Build option. How to create an iOS build and connect it to a test flight account for iOS. You'll find a section titled, Connect Your Test Flight Account under the Integration tab. Complete all of the fields in this section in a defined manner. Now, click the Choose File button and upload your iOS key file to connect your test flight account for iOS. Then, click the Build App button. In this dialog box, select the required version and version code. Now, click the Build button and select the Build iOS option. Your iOS application development has begun. Meanwhile, by completing the form, you can share your experience with the APPExperts. Once the app has been installed, you will be notified. For more information, questions and queries, please visit our website, www.appexpert.io.